In this lesson, we're going to use the distributive property another time. This one we're going to multiply by 12s. So let's say I have 12 times 8. Okay, now with 12, what can we break that into that are easy facts that we know? Well, we can break 12 into 10 and 2. Everybody knows their 10s. Everybody knows their 2s. So those are easy facts to help us with our 12s. Now once I decompose and I break the 12 into 10 and 2, I get rid of that 12. It's gone. Okay? So remember, this is what I have on this side of the multiplication. I broke that 12 factor into these two. So I need to multiply both of them by 8. So I'm first going to do my 10 times 8. And then my second one is the 2 times 8. And like I told you before, you don't have to draw the lines. I'm just drawing the lines so you can see what I'm multiplying. So 10 times 8, so if I have 8 tens, I have 80. And if I have 2 8s, I have 16. Okay? Oh, I'm going to add them together. So I have another 10, so that makes 9 tens. And then looking at my ones, I have 0 ones and 6 ones, which gives me 96. And then I'm going to put my answer up here also. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's do, there we go. Let's do 12 times 4. Okay. What did we say we were going to break the 12 into? We're going to break the 12 into 10 and 2. Breaking 12 into 10 and 2, I got rid of my 12. Then my first multiplication problem is going to be 10 times 4 and 2 times 4. So 10 times 4 is going to give me what? 40. My 2 times 4 is going to give me what? 8, because I have 2 8s. And then if I have 40 and I have 8, what does that make? That makes 48. Okay? Let's do one more of multiplying by 12. I know yesterday we did 11 times 12, or in the lesson on the 11s. Today let's do 12 times 12. Okay, this is the biggest basic fact that we have you memorize. So let's break this apart into 10 and 2. Because I decomposed that, I am going to get rid of that 12. So I need to do 10 times 12 and 2 times 12. Okay, so if I have 10 12s or 12 10s, that means if I have 12 10s, I have 120. Okay, because the 12 10s makes me add that 0 to the end. Here's my 12 10s, and then that 0, which gives me 120. Now I have 2 12s. Well, 12 plus 12 would give me 24. Okay, so I'm going to combine these up. Now, just like I told you with the 11s lesson, if you need to line it up over here to figure that out, that's perfectly fine. I'm going to look though, I only have 100. Now looking at my 10s, I have a total of 4 10s. And looking at my 1s, I have a total of 4 1s. So the biggest fact that you have to memorize, 12 times 12, is 144. And that is how you can use the distributive property to help you with multiplication. Again, it's something mental, what you can do in your head if you're not sure, if you don't have that fact memorized. Think of how many times 10. Think of what you're multiplying by times 2. Add those together, and that gives you your products for your times 12s.